Hello, people. So these days, social media is quite popular among us. We can share a picture, we can share a video to people surrounding. To play with social media, of course, we need to have some videos or pictures. When we already have a videos and picture, we need an application that can help us edit those videos or picture. There are a lot of applications, one of them called CapCut. So how to operate CapCut in iOS? So the things is just click the application to open it, and now we already join into the Windows. How to start? Just click the new project. We can edit either video or photos in the CapCut. If you want to edit some videos, just click the videos and then click add. You can do anything to this video. You can put some audio, you can just give the videos an effects or anything. When you already finish it, just click export over here and your videos is ready to upload it to your social media. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching.